Question seconds. Find the value of other 5 trigonometrical function if sin x is given that sin x is equal to 3 upon 5 and x belong in second coordinate. X belong in a second coordinate. It is very simple, similar to the first questions. Firstly, solve the relation between the sine and cos. We know that the sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, and then cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x, and then write the value of sine here, 3 upon 5 the whole square, and 1 minus 3 is a 9 upon 25, and then 25 minus 9 16 upon 25 is equal to cos square x, and the value of cos x is equal to plus minus 4 upon 5. One value we take, the cos x is equal to minus 4 upon 5 because x belong in a second coordinate, and also we know that the second coordinate is only sine and cosec is positive and other is negative, and then cos x is negative in a second coordinate, then cos x is equal to minus 4 upon 5. The first is here, and the second we write the value of 10. Okay na, the value of 10x is equal to sin x upon cos x, and right here the value of sin x is equal to 10x is equal to 3 upon 5, and the value of cos x is equal to minus 4 upon 5, and the value of end to end and middle to middle. Okay na, and then 3 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 4 cancel to each other, minus 3 upon 4, and the 10 is also negative in second. Third is given that, okay na, cot x is equal to, we know that 1 upon 10x, and the value of 10x is here, we can find 1 upon minus 3 by 4, and this is upward minus 4 upon 3. It is also negative. Okay na, this is also negative, and the value of fourth is sec x is equal to 1 upon cos x is equal to 1 upon the value of cos minus 4 upon 5. This is upward, and this is a minus 5 by 4. Okay, the value of sec is also negative in the second, and the fifth is given that cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin x is equal to 1 upon the value of sin x is given that 3 upon 5. This is upward, and 5 upon 3. This is answer, because the second coordinate the cosec is the positive and the value of is here is positive. Question number 3 you can solve, and also okay na, it's a very simple question. Question number 3 is given that you solve. Okay na, cot x is equal to 3 by 4 if x belong third coordinate. Okay, we help you, the third coordinate is just tan and the cot is positive, tan x and the cot x positive, okay, and other negative. You solve, and also you solve this type of a question. If you have any problem in this type of a question, then you comment, and request to all students, please study forever and complete your notes. Okay, the fourth question we will start. Simple questions. Sec x is equal to 13 upon 5 if x belong in a fourth coordinate. It's very simple. We also know that in a fourth coordinate the cos and the sec is positive and other trigonometrical is the negative. And firstly we find the relation between the sec and the any other. Okay na, the solution here we write. Also we know that the sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. This is the formula, and Also write the tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Then value of the sec square 13 upon में 5 the square minus 1 and 169 upon 25 minus 1 and 169 minus 25 upon 25. When you subtract, then tan square x is equal to 124. 124 upon 25 and the value of tan x is equal to plus minus 12 upon में 5. Only one value we take according to the coordinate. X belonging in the fourth coordinate, then tan is the negative and the value of tan x is equal to minus 12 upon 5. Okay na? And this is the first. And the second, we also know that the cot x is equal to the value of the cot x is equal to आपका कितना हो जाएगा 1 upon tan x and then 1 minus 12 upon 5 and this is upward and the minus 5 upon 12. This is the answer. Okay na? And the third is also we know that the value of sine and the value of sine and the cos, the relation between the tan and cot we can determine. Okay na? And we know that the cos x is equal to 1 upon sec x and the value of the sec x is equal to given that 13 upon 5 and here is the 5 upon 13. The value of the cos x is the positive because the cos is the positive in the fourth coordinate. And then fourth the value of sine. Okay, and also we know that the sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x is equal to 1. The value of the 5 upon 13 is squaring on both sides, squaring, and the 1 minus 25 upon me 169 is 169 minus 25 144 upon me 169. It is a sine square x, and then the value of sine is x is equal to plus minus 144 minus 12 the square and the 169 13 the square. Okay na? And the value of sin x is taking the negative because the sin x is the fourth coordinate is the negative, and the value of the sin x is equal to minus 12 upon the 30. Okay, and this is the fifth. And the sixth is given that also know sec x is equal to 1 upon me sin x and then cosec x is equal to 1 upon me minus 12 upon 13 and then minus 13 upon 12 is equal to cosec x. Okay, this is a fifth. It is clear that it is very simple. And then okay, sin x is equal to minus. Okay, it is all clear. If you have any problem in this question, you comment on. Okay, and the question number 5th you can solve simple. Question number 5th you solve tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12. X belong in a second coordinate. It's a pretty simple question, you can solve. Okay na? If you have problem, then comment on question number 5. Also we can solve and prove, we provide you. Okay, and the question number 6 is given that question number 6, it is a new question. It is not a new question, but I say that this is the new concept for you. Sin 765 degree. Okay, find the value. And I also discussed this type of a question in with the help of the formula. Okay, we also know that in a class 10th, the first in a real number including lemma division theorem. Okay na, including lemma division theorem. Okay, for example, say Tn is equal to AR plus B. Okay, for example, when this is a number, okay, this is a number, when we divided by r this number, then this is a dividend and this is a remainder. Okay, when we divide the 360, why we divided 360, we also know that when taken any coordinate we divided by 360, the revelation is the one completed in the first coordinate, and also many times when we divided by 360, then you find the all coordinate system in the first coordinate, then it is a very simple, we can solve. Okay, when divided by 360, 765 divided by 360. Okay na, 2 times. Okay, when we minus, then find 5 and the 4. Okay, so we can write 765 degrees equal to 360 degree into 2 plus 45, okay, degree. Then we write the value of here sine 360 degree into 2 plus 45 degree, and also known the formula sine n into 360 plus theta is equal to sine theta, and similar to that all trigonometrical function work similar, okay na. Then we say that the value of sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, okay. It's very simple. Clear that? The next question is question number 7, okay. This is question number 6 and question number 7 we solved the here, okay. Question number 7 is the also easy. Given that cosec minus 1410 degree, and also know that the cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta, okay. Clear that? So we can write minus cosec 1410 degree, okay, and we divided by 360, and 1410 divided by 360 degree, cancel 0 to 0, and I think 4 times, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24 2, and then 4 3 are 12 to 14, okay, and this is a greater than, I think this is a greater than, no any problems, I take it, okay, no any problem, I can solve, and this is a new concept for you. So minus cosec x 4 into 360 degree minus, because here is the more than, okay, when we subtract then we find the value of more than. Here is the 3, okay, here is the 3, and this is a 0, and then we can here write is 30, minus 30, okay, minus 30. Then write 30. Firstly we take this is going on this coordinate, because when we come in this coordinate plus theta, and this is a minus theta, okay, and then minus cosec is equal to, we can write also minus, okay, then 30 degree minus minus plus, and then cosec 30 is equal to कितना होता है 2. This is the answer, okay. It's very simple. Here the new concept for you, and revise that. Pause the video. Question number 8, okay, question number 8, it is very simple question. Tan 19 pi upon 3. We can write this question in the form of the n into 360 plus theta, okay na. Then we write tan divided by 19, firstly divided by 19, so 6 whole 6 is 18 and pi by 3, okay. The tan 6 pi plus pi by 3, and then tan 2 into 3 pi plus pi by 3, because we can add 360, okay, 3 into 360 degree plus pi by 3, we going on in the first quadrant, then tan pi by 3, tan pi by 3, it means that 60 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, okay, very simple. And question number 9, okay, last question we can solve, and other you can solve, okay, and send them. Minus 11 pi upon 3, also we know that minus tan theta is equal to minus sine theta, okay. Then write minus sine 11 pi by 3, and then minus sine divided by similar concept, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4s are 12. We can write the 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 4 pi minus pi by 3. 3 4s are 12 minus pi 11. Okay. So minus sine 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 3. And here is the minus sine 2 pi. It means that the 2 into 360 degree minus pi by 3. Then minus, also minus, because 360 is minus in this coordinate, and this coordinate, the sign is the negative because here is the minus. Okay, minus pi by 3, and minus minus is plus, and the sine pi by 3, pi by 3 to mean the 60 degree, and sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. This is answer. Okay, and question number 10, you can solve and send them. Okay, cot minus 15 pi by 4. Okay, it is also, we know that the value of cot minus theta is equal to cot theta. The completed exercise 3.2, and the next lecture we can start some formula of and solve exercise 3.3. and best of luck, and use study continue. If you have any problems, then comment on in comment box, and then WhatsApp group. Okay.